You want to keep warm when you're feeling chill, but you don't want to raise your heating bill.
Blankets are okay, but they slip and slide. And when you try to reach for something, your hands are trapped inside.
Now there's the Snuggie, the blanket that has sleeves.
The Snuggie keeps you totally warm and gives you the freedom to use your hand.
Now you can work the remote or read a book in total comfort.
The Snuggie is made of ultra-soft, luxurious fleece
with oversized sleeves,
so you can move your arms and use your hands and still be wrapped in warmth.
Large, one size fits all, so you can stay warm from head to toe.
No more cold feet, and with the Snuggie, you can get up and still stay warm.
For men, women, and children too.
The sleeves give you extra freedom, so you can hold your baby in your arms or hold your dog with your hands. The Snuggie is machine washable, so you'll get years of warmth and comfort.
Available in cheetah print and blue,
so you can do what you need to
and stay totally warm with the
Snuggie.